Rule 1. Standard AN verbs. Consonant starting roots. AN suffixes all tenses. In is infixed between first consonant and first vowel. Past/present. Repeat first syllable for present and future. Pattern. Root plus an. Infinitive. Be plus in plus. Aspas plus an. Past. Be plus in plus a plus baspas plus an. Present. Ba plus baspas plus an. Future. Rule 2. Vowel rules. Vowel starting or vowel ending roots. If a word ends with a glottal stop caret, add -an. If no glottal stop, add -han instead. For vowel starting roots, dash and dash acts as a prefix, not infix. Example, iwasawar, to avoid, iwasan, anyaya, to invite, anyayahan, alaga, to care for, alagaan. Rule 3. Roots beginning with L. The infix in is changed to the prefix nai in past and present tenses. Example, laban, to fight, labanan, infinitive, nilabanan, past, nilalabanan, present, lalabanan, future. Rule 4. Irregular roots. Remove the last vowel of the root before adding an. Reference the appendix for common irregular roots. Example, tingin, to look at, tingnan, infinitive, tiningnan, past, tinitingnan, present, titingnan, future. O to U vowel harmony note. When a syllable containing O is between two syllables in a word, the O changes to U. Example, tulong, to help, tutulungan, tinulungan, tinutulungan, tutulungan. The AN focus structure. AN verbs place the location or receiver in focus, ayama engi. The actor and object are non-focus, G/ni/sina. Key markers. Ang equals focus marker, receiver/location. Nang equals non-focus marker, sa equals location/direction preposition, siyanday, ni equals non-focus proper name, sina equals plural proper name non-focus, kina equals plural proper name focus. Full template, verban form, ng slash ni actor, ang receiver/location, ng object. Sa place worked examples by Tense Bilhan, niya ang tindahan ng pagkain sa Maynila. She will buy the store food in Manila. Store equals focus. Binilhan niya ang tindahan ng pagkain sa Maynila. She bought the store food in Manila. Binibilhan niya ang tindahan ng pagkain sa Maynila. She is buying the store food in Manila. Sulatan mo ang kaibigan ng liham sa bahay. Write a letter to your friend at home. Friend equals focus. Sinulatan niya ang guro ng tanong. He wrote a question to the teacher. Sinusulatan niya ang guro ng tanong. He is writing a question to the teacher. What is to eat? Kain. Eat. Kainin/kinain/kinakain/kakainin. Kinain ng bata ang kanin. What does this mean in English? The child ate the rice. What is to read? Basa, read. Basahan/binasahan/binababasahan/babasahan. Binasahan niya ako ng kwento. What does this mean in English? She read a story to me. What is to drink? Inom. Drink. Inuman/ininom/iniinom/iinumin. Inuman natin ang kape mamaya. What does this mean in English? Let's drink coffee later. What is to get/take? Kuha, get/take. Kuhain/kinuha/kinukuha/kukuha. Kinuha niya ang libro sa mesa. What does this mean in English? She took the book from the table. What is to cook? Luto. Cook. Lutuin/niluto/niluluto/lulutuin. Niluto ng nanay ang adobo para sa hapunan. What does this mean in English? Mom cooked adobo for dinner. What is to give? Bigay. Give. Bigyan/binigyan/binibigyan/bibigyan. Binigyan niya ako ng regalo. What does this mean in English? She gave me a gift. What is to buy? Buy. Bilhan/binilhan/binibilhan/bibilhan. Binilhan ko siya ng pagkain sa tindahan. What does this mean in English? I bought food for her at the store. What is to bring? Dala, Bring, dalhan slash dinalhan slash dinadalhan slash dadalhan. Dinalhan niya ako ng prutas. What does this mean in English? He brought me fruit. What is to write? Sulat, write. Sulatan slash sinulatan slash sinusulatan slash susulatan. Sinulatan niya ang kanyang kaibigan ng liham. What does this mean in English? She wrote her friend a letter. What is to sell? Benta, sell, bentahan slash binentahan slash binibentahan slash bentahan. Binentahan niya kami ng gulay sa palengke. What does this mean in English? She sold us vegetables at the market. What is to call? Tawagi is call. Tawagan slash, tinawagan slash tinatawagan slash tatawagan tinawagan. Niya ang kanyang ina kagabi. What does this mean in English? He called his mother last night. What is to pay? Bayad, pay. Bayaran slash binayaran slash binabayaran slash babayaran binayaran. Niya ang kanyang utang. What does this mean in English? She paid her debt. What is to visit? Bisita, visit. Bisitahin slash binisita slash binibisita slash bibisita. Binisita namin ang lolo sa ospital. What does this mean in English? We visited grandfather at the hospital. What is to go? Punta go. Puntahan, slash pinuntahan, slash pinupuntahan, slash pupuntahan. Pinuntahan nila ang parke kahapon. What does this mean in English? They went to the park yesterday. What is to say slash tell? Sabi, say slash tell. Sabihin slash sinabi, slash sinasabi, slash sasabihin. Sinabi niya ang totoo sa kanyang ina. What does this mean in English? She told the truth to her mother. What is to live slash stay? Tira, live slash stay. Tirhan slash tinirhan slash tinitirhan slash titirhan. Tinirhan namin ang lumang bahay sa probinsya. What does this mean in English? We lived in the old house in the province. What is to answer? Sagot, answer. Sagutin slash sinagot slash sinasagot slash sasagutin. Sinagot niya ang tanong ng guro. What does this mean in English? She answered the teacher's question. What is to work? Trabaho, work, trabahuhan, slash tinatrabahuhan slash tatrabahuhan. Tinatrabahuhan niya ang malaking kumpanya. What does this mean in English? He works for a big company. What is to open? Bukas, open. Buksan slash binuksan slash binubuksan slash bubuksan. Binuksan ng bata ang kahon ng regalo. What does this mean in English? The child opened the gift box. What is to play? Laro, play. Laruan, slash nilaro slash nilalaro slash lalaro. Nilaro ng mga bata ang bagong laro sa bakuran. What does this mean in English? The children played the new game in the yard. What is to close? Sarah, close. Sarhan slash sinarhan slash sinasarhan slash sarhan sinarhan. Niya ang pinto dahil malamig. What does this mean in English? She closed the door because it was cold. What is to call? Tawagi is call. Tawagan slash, tinawagan slash tinatawagan slash tatawagan tinawagan. Niya ang kanyang ina kagabi. What does this mean in English? He called his mother last night. What is to pay? Bayad, pay. Bayaran slash binayaran slash binabayaran slash babayaran binayaran. Niya ang kanyang utang. What does this mean in English? She paid her debt. What is to visit? Bisita, visit. Bisitahin slash binisita slash binibisita slash bibisita. Binisita namin ang lolo sa ospital. What does this mean in English? We visited grandfather at the hospital. What is to go? Punta go. Puntahan, slash pinuntahan, slash pinupuntahan, slash pupuntahan. Pinuntahan nila ang parke kahapon. What does this mean in English? They went to the park yesterday. What is to say slash tell? Sabi, say slash tell. Sabihin slash sinabi, slash sinasabi, slash sasabihin. Sinabi niya ang totoo sa kanyang ina. What does this mean in English? She told the truth to her mother. What is to live slash stay? Tira, live slash stay. Tirhan/tinitirhan/tinitirhan/titirhan. Tinirhan namin ang lumang bahay sa probinsya. What does this mean in English? We lived in the old house in the province. What is to answer? Sagot, answer. Sagutin/sinagot/sinasagot/sasagutin. Sinagot niya ang tanong ng guro. What does this mean in English? She answered the teacher's question. What is to work? Trabaho, work, trabahuhan/tinatrabahuhan/tatrabahuhan. Tinatrabahuhan niya ang malaking kumpanya. What does this mean in English? He works for a big company. What is to open? Bukas, open. Buksan/binuksan/binubuksan/bubuksan. Binuksan ng bata ang kahon ng regalo. What does this mean in English? The child opened the gift box. What is to play? Laro, play. Laruan/nilaro/nilalaro/lalaro. Nilaro ng mga bata ang bagong laro sa bakuran. What does this mean in English? The children played the new game in the yard. What is to close? Sarah, close. Sarhan/sinarhan/sinasarhan/sarhan sinarhan. Niya ang pinto dahil malamig. What does this mean in English? She closed the door because it was cold. What is to play? Laro, play. Laruan/nilaro/nilalaro/lalaro. Nilaro ng mga bata ang bagong laro sa bakuran. What does this mean in English? The children played the new game in the yard. What is to sleep? Tulog, sleep. Tuluan/natulog/natutulog/matutulog. Natulog ang bata ng maaga kagabi. What does this mean in English? The child slept early last night. What is to start? Simula, start. Simulan/sinimulan/sinisimulan/sisimulan. Sinimulan na nila ang proyekto ngayong umaga. What does this mean in English? They already started the project this morning. What is to clean? Linis, clean. Linisin/nilinis/nililinis/lilinisin nilinis niya ang buong bahay bago dumating ang bisita. What does this mean in English? She cleaned the whole house before the guests arrived. What is to bathe? Paligo, bite. Paliguan/niliguan/nililiguan/liliguan. Pinaliguan ng nanay ang sanggol tuwing umaga. What does this mean in English? The mother bathed the baby every morning. What is to fix/arrange? Ayos, fix/arrange. Ayusin/inayos/inaayos/ayusin. Inayos niya ang kanyang kwarto bago matulog. What does this mean in English? She fixed her room before sleeping. What is to wear? Suot, wear. Suotan/sinuotan/sinusuotan/susuotan. Sinuotan niya ang bagong damit para sa partido. What does this mean in English? She wore the new dress to the party. What is to care for? Alaga, care for. Alagaan/inalagaan/inaalagaan/alagaan. Inalagaan niya ang may sakit na kanyang ama. What does this mean in English? She cared for her sick father. What is to hug? Yakap, hug. Yakapin/niyakap/niyayakap/yayakapin. Niyakap ng ina ang kanyang anak pagdating nito. What does this mean in English? The mother hugged her child upon arrival. What is to wait? Hintay. Wait. Hintayin/hinintay/hinihintay/hihintayin. Hinintay niya ako sa labas ng tindahan. What does this mean in English? He waited for me outside the store. What is to try? Subok, try. Subukin/sinubukan/sinusubukan/susubukan. Sinubukan niyang lutuin ang bagong recipe. What does this mean in English? She tried to cook the new recipe. What is to look? Tingin, look, tingnan/tiningnan/tinitingnan/titingnan. Tiningnan niya ang larawan ng kanyang pamilya. What does this mean in English? He looked at the photo of his family. What is to judge? Husga, judge. Husgahan/hinusgahan/hinuhusgahan/huhusgahan. Huwag husgahan ang tao sa kanyang hitsura. What does this mean in English? Do not judge a person by their appearance. What is to hear slash listen? Dinig, hear slash listen. Dinggin slash narinig slash naririnig slash maririnig. Narinig niya ang ingay mula sa kabilang kwarto. What does this mean in English? She heard the noise from the other room. What is to smile? Ngiti, smile. Ngitiin slash nangiti slash nangingiti slash mangingiti. Nangiti siya nang makita ang sorpresa. What does this mean in English? She smiled when she saw the surprise. What is to help? Tulong, help. Tulungan slash tinulungan slash tinutulungan slash tutulungan. Tinulungan niya ang matanda na tumawid sa daan. What does this mean in English? She helped the elderly person cross the street. What is to guide? Gabay, guide. Gabayan slash ginabayan slash ginagabayan slash gagabayan. Ginabayan niya ang mga bago sa opisina. What does this mean in English? He guided the newcomers at the office. What is to sit? Upo, sit. Upuan slash inupuan slash inuupuan slash uupuan. Inupuan niya ang upuan sa tabi ng bintana. What does this mean in English? She sat in the chair beside the window. What is to lie down? Higa, lie down. Higaan slash inihigan slash inihihigan slash ihihigan. Inihigan niya ang malambot na unan sa sopa. What does this mean in English? She lay down on the soft pillow on the sofa. What is to be beside? Tabi, be beside. Tabihan slash tinabihan slash tinatabi slash tatabi. Tinabihan niya ang kanyang kaibigan sa simbahan. What does this mean in English? She sat beside her friend at the church. What is to put slash place? Lagay, put slash place. Lagyan slash nilagyan slash nilalagyan slash lalagyan. Nilagyan niya ng asin ang pagkain. What does this mean in English? She put salt on the food. What is to remove? Tanggal, remove. Tanggalin slash tinanggal slash tinatanggal slash tatanggalin. Tinanggal niya ang lumang kortina sa bintana. What does this mean in English? She removed the old curtain from the window. What is to throw slash sprinkle? Saboy, throw slash sprinkle. Sabuyan slash sinabuyan slash sinabuyan slash sabuyan. Sinabuyan niya ng asukal ang prutas. What does this mean in English? She sprinkled sugar on the fruit. What is to splash slash spray? Wisik, splash slash spray. Wisikan slash winisikan slash winiwisikan slash wisikan. Winisikan niya ng tubig ang mga halaman. What does this mean in English? She sprayed water on the plants. What is to cover? Takip, cover. Takpan slash tinakpan slash tinatakpan slash tatakpan. Tinakpan niya ang pagkain para hindi lumamig. What does this mean in English? She covered the food so it wouldn't get cold. What is to reduce? Bawas. Reduce. Bawasan slash binawasan slash binabawasan slash babawasan. Binawasan niya ang asin sa recipe. What does this mean in English? She reduced the salt in the recipe. What is to add? Dagdag, add, dagdagan slash dindagdagan slash dindadagdagan slash dadagdagan. Dindagdagan niya ang tubig sa niluluto. What does this mean in English? She added water to what was being cooked. What is to replace? Palit, replace. Palitan, slash pinalitan, slash pinapalitan, slash papalitan. Pinalitan niya ang sirang bumbilya sa sala. What does this mean in English? She replaced the broken light bulb in the living room. What is to cut? Gupit, cut. Gupitan slash ginupitan slash ginugupitan slash gugupitan. Ginupitan niya ang buhok ng kanyang anak. What does this mean in English? She cut her child's hair. What is to color slash paint? Kulay, color slash paint. Kulayan slash kinulayan slash kinukulayan slash kukulayan. Kinulayan ng bata ang kanyang guhit ng maliwanag na kulay. What does this mean in English? The child colored her drawing with bright colors. What is to make a hole? Butas. Make a hole. Butasan slash binutasan slash binubutasan slash bubutasan. Binutasan niya ang dingding para sa bagong kable. What does this mean in English? She made a hole in the wall for the new cable. What is to seal? Selyo, seal. Selyuhan/sinelyuhan/siniselyuhan/saselyuhan. Sinelyuhan niya ang sobre bago ipadala. What does this mean in English? She sealed the envelope before sending it. What is to hold? Hawak, hold. Hawakan/hinawakan/hinahawakan/hahawakan. Hinawakan niya ang kamay ng bata habang tumatawid. What does this mean in English? She held the child's hand while crossing. What is to release? Bitaw. Release. Bitawan/binitawan/binitawan/bibitawan. Binitawan niya ang lobo at lumipad ito. What does this mean in English? She released the balloon and it flew away. What is to ride/board? Sakay. Ride/board. Sakyan/sinakyan/sinasakyan/sasakyan. Sinakyan nila ang bus papuntang lungsod. What does this mean in English? They rode the bus going to the city. What is to go down? Baba. Go down. Babaan/binabaan/binababaan/babaan. Binabaan niya ang hagdan ng dahan-dahan. What does this mean in English? She went down the stairs slowly. What is to go up? Akyat. Go up. Akyatan/inakyatan/inaanyatan/akyatan. Inakyatan niya ang bundok ng may sigasig. What does this mean in English? She climbed the mountain with enthusiasm. What is to watch/guard? Bantay. Watch/guard. Bantayan/binantayan/binabantayan/babantayan. Binantayan niya ang bahay habang wala ang mga magulang. What does this mean in English? She watched over the house while the parents were away. What is to accompany? Sama. Accompany. Samahan/sinamahan/sinasamahan/sasamahan. Sinamahan niya ako sa doktor kahapon. What does this mean in English? She accompanied me to the doctor yesterday. What is to fetch/pick up? Sundo. Fetch/pick up. Sunduin/sinudo/sinusundo/susunduin. Sinundo niya ang kanyang anak sa paaralan. What does this mean in English? She picked up her child from school. What is to deliver? Hatid. Deliver. Hatdan/hinatdan/hinahatdan/hahatdan. Hinatdan niya kami ng pagkain sa bahay. What does this mean in English? She delivered food to us at home. What is to support/share in grief? Damay. Support/share. Damayan/dinamayan/dinadamayan/dadamayan. Dinamayan nila ang pamilya sa panahon ng kalungkutan. What does this mean in English? They supported the family during the time of grief. What is to scold? Galit. Scold. Galitan/ginalitan/ginagalitan/gagalitan. Ginalitan siya ng guro dahil sa kanyang gawi. What does this mean in English? The teacher scolded him because of his behavior. What is to punish? Parusa. Punish. Parusahan/pinarusahan/pinaparusahan/paparusahan. Pinarusahan ng ama ang bata dahil sa pagsisinungaling. What does this mean in English? The father punished the child for lying. What is to laugh at? Tawa, laugh, tawanan/tinatawanan/tinatawanan/tatawanan. Tinawanan nila ang nakakatawang palabas. What does this mean in English? They laughed at the funny show. What is to imitate? Tulad, imitate. Tularan/tinularan/tinutularan/tutularan. Tinularan niya ang estilo ng kanyang paboritong manlalaro. What does this mean in English? She imitated the style of her favorite player. What is to prepare? Handa, prepare. Handaan/hinandaan/hinahandaan/hahandaan. Hinandaan nila ang salusalo para sa graduation. What does this mean in English? They prepared the celebration for the graduation.